Making your English active. Discover the power of active voice. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an essential topic in English grammar: the active voice. By understanding what it is and how to use it, we can make our sentences more direct, engaging, and powerful. So, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the active voice, it's important to understand what we mean by voice in English grammar. Voice refers to the relationship between the subject of a sentence and the action or state that the sentence describes. It tells us whether the subject is doing the action, active voice, or receiving the action, passive voice. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore what the active voice is all about. When we talk about active voice, we're referring to sentences where the subject is the one performing the action. In other words, the subject actively does something. For example, consider the sentence, Sarah reads a book. Here, Sarah, the subject, is performing the action, reading, on the object, the book. It's straightforward and direct, which is what makes the active voice so effective. The active voice has some distinctive characteristics that can help us identify it in our writing or speech. The structure of an active sentence is typically subject, verb, object, SVO. The subject is the doer of the action. It gives more importance to the subject of the sentence. It is usually more concise and easier to understand. Let's take a look at some examples. John baked the cake. John is the subject and the one who did the baking. The cat chased the mouse. The cat is the subject and the one doing the chasing. I finished my homework. I am the subject and the one who finished the homework. These examples clearly show the subject performing the action. There you have it, folks. That's the active voice in a nutshell. It's a vital part of clear and direct communication in English, and understanding it can greatly improve your writing and conversation skills. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what the active voice is and how to use it. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using the active voice in your own sentences. Happy learning! Next time, we'll explore the passive voice and learn how to identify and use it properly. So, stay tuned, and keep on learning.